This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Michael Daniels. Welcome to Waterset, Apollo Beach, Florida, Newland Community. New construction home, November 2021, original owner, Northwood floor plan, built by family-owned and award-winning Cardell Homes. 2,200 square feet, 4 large bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Upon entry, a grand foyer with a tray ceiling. The kitchen has upgrades galore, including sleek, light, soft close cabinets and drawers, beautiful granite countertops, designer backsplash, Whirlpool stainless steel appliances and beautiful wood plank tile that flows through to the great room, dining area and foyer. The great room has sliding glass doors that lead to the deluxe covered lanai overlooking a pool-ready backyard. 2-car garage with doorway entry into the home. The water heater is gas, along with the range, and the sprinkler system is recycled reclaimed water, no cost to the buyer. There are so many additional features and upgrades that only Cardell Homes offer. The Waterset Club recently opened and includes a lap pool and a lagoon-style pool with 0 entry and 2 fun water slides. Also enjoy tennis, pickleball, basketball and sand volleyball courts at this location. A top-of-the-line gym, playground and clubhouse round out the center. The lakeside is fenced-in splash pad, playground, barbecue area with hammocks, and a covered patio with ample seating, as well as a dog park and outdoor fitness equipment. A quick drive up the road and you will find the landing, which houses the community cafe, another pool, playground and gym, as well as fishing dock. See attachment for additional information on amenities in Waterset. For more information, review the details below.